So one thing I kind of want to point out, lobster fishing is actually hard work. That's why when you have your friends, you know, your friends go lobster fishing and be like, hey, can I get a lobster? And he or she says no. Yeah, matter of fact, don't even ask that question. It's hard work. Please understand this. It's not easy. It looks easy because, you know, there's this thing called video editing, but reality, it's a lot of hard work. You can see later I will pull up a pot that's full of lobster, maybe like 7 or 8 of them. I can only keep one. We're just gonna be grinding out here tonight. All right, lobster again, but this time I want to try this buoy spot, which produce crab, spider crab, stone crab, and everything. We'll see how we do. Mark. So someone is in trouble. Not one of us, but someone is. Hopefully they're okay. When you're on the sea, gotta be extra careful. Hopefully everyone's safe. And what the hell? Oh, yeah, that's all good. One, two, three, four. Oh shit. Got one legal. Oh shit.
You got 3 legals? Hey, you YH?
YH, one legal. Let me just measure to make sure. Over.
Oh shit, they're crawling.
Fuck yeah, it's a legal one. All right. Pulling another pot. So, want to say this gaff, handmade by Master Khan, Calcutta bamboo, good price, 4 feet, and it floats on water. It's a very amazing tool.
Just launched. We're gonna come outside right now.
As you can see, can hook my
They just starting to crawl.
buoy.
Oh, no problem. Stay inside.
And
Really? Damn it.
help you get lobster.
Fucking with us with illegal shit.
Oh well, this one nothing. This pod was using salmon, so it might not be the best bait. But since this area I got good result,
Anything on the inside? I don't see any rainbows.
and they're just crawling, drop this again. So I wasn't recording, and so far I got 2 legal lobsters. 1, 2, and going to get this crab pot because this spot is a crab spot. Again, using the custom made gaff. Look how beautiful this thing is. Double epoxied, nice and sturdy. If I ever catch a tuna with this thing, it'll be easy gaff. This is like 190 feet of water, so using this pulley system is much easier. When you pull those trap, because it's not actually a trap, it's just a pot with the net, if you stop, whatever you caught, it will jump out. So when you start pulling, you can't stop. Simple as that. Oh well, little tiny one. I mean, it is legal. We can measure this. If it is, we're keeping it. No, it's too small. So usually California lobster gauge has 2 sides. One side for lobster, other one for crab. Make sure on the crab one, measure that. So this one's actually barely just legal, but it's not so much meat. You know what? Give some back to the ocean. Oh fuck. Gloves are for sissies. Legal.
Yeah.
That's a shorty. Definitely short. Going back. Well, I'm not decided to catching anymore. This is like my last pull, or at least I'm planning on it. Short. Safety watch me. Oh. That's like borderline. You know what? I'm not even gonna risk it. Definitely not legal. Short. No. Only one legal so far. Let me measure this one, so it might be a second legal. Second legal. Yep.
There you go.
Look at that. Oh, I got 2 more pots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to measure and release. Fuck. Conditions not great.
Yeah, you're stuck pretty good, Long. I need a diver to help out.
No, that's short.
There's a diver working his way kind of towards you. All the way at us at the bend, though. Get on board, Gary.
You saw that? Oh yeah, fuck. Let's head back.
Sure.
Oh shit. So, harvest of the night. Got 1, 2, 3 crabs, actually 4 crabs, and 4 lobster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Call that success. So today's weather is gonna be very interesting for lobster. Empty. That's surprising. Short. Short. No fucking way. Okay. That's why I tether everything. It's probably short. Yeah, definitely short. It's about a 1/4 inch short. Not shorties so far, but it's promising. They're crawling. 3 short at my position. 1 crab. 1 crab so far. Big one too. Well, something. Won't go home empty-handed.
They're really good. I have to try it.
Look at that pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lobster. But 7 short. Let me go to the safer zone. Oh, fucking A. Not a clicker. Oh, fuck. Too short. Not even gonna measure. This is depressing. But that's how lobster fishing is. See, it's hard work. So this is the classic case what we call a clicker. Very annoying, but you gotta release them. So for example, the measurements from this horn all the way to this body, this ring right here. This right here where my finger pointing is, okay? So as we see, your gauge has to push, it just click right in. So that's what we call a clicker. So case like this, okay, let go of my watch, let go of my glove. Oh my god, see? Assholes. That's a big female too. So back in the water. Down to one on board, one clicker. One short. And this paw is empty.
There's no way this thing is so jaggedy underneath.
Yeah, it is jaggedy underneath,
You
dude.
don't have your settings right there.
Man, you don't know how to use a fish finder. You don't even have one right now.
It just doesn't look natural. This looks like grass.
All right, let's look at this. All right, high tech. Let me show you something. Down view.
Black like an asshole.
My God.